Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thuong. I'm here in Danang City, Vietnam. In today's video, I will ride a bicycle from Danang to Hoi An Ancient Town. Let's go! We are at Hoi An Beach, Danang. This place is about 25 km from Hoi An Ancient Town. Danang and Hoi An are both famous tourist destinations in Vietnam. Every year, many tourists come here, especially in summer. You can rent a bike and cycle from Danang to Hoi An, like me right now. It takes about an hour, or you can rent a motorbike to get around. Motorbike rental is also very cheap, only about 130,000 Vietnam dong, about $5 per day, and $2 for gasoline. The road from Danang City to Hoi An is very beautiful and wide. As you can see, it is very safe to cycle. The route is also very easy to understand. You just need to go straight and only once turn right. Very easy, right? We have arrived in Hoi An. The roads here are much smaller compared with Danang. It's best to arrive in Hoi An around 4 p.m. At that time, you can see a very beautiful sunset. Then at 6 p.m., Hoi An is beautiful with lanterns. You can walk in the old town with lovely lanterns, rent a boat and enjoy the scenery on both sides of the river, and discover delicious food at the night market. I once filmed a video exploring Hoi An during the day, and today's video is about exploring Hoi An at night. Whether during the day or at night, Hoi An has its own beauty. At the night market, it starts from 5 p.m. to midnight. But starting at 9 p.m., many food stores will open. It will be a different scene then. Today, I will eat banana pancake. This dish is sold a lot in Hoi An. Its price is $1.6. I have to cycle about 30 kilometers to get back to Danang. So I only eat this. If you like, next time I will film Hoi An food tour for you. Let's eat with me. Itadakimasu. Join me to enjoy some of the beautiful scenery here before leaving. Wishing you a pleasant evening. Thank you for all the way following and supporting us. See you everyone in the next video.